Gosh.
Fits like a glove.
It's so cute. So beautiful. Okay, this is my origami.
Well, this is a side view.
Hi girls, we're starting another vlog here in, that was so dumb. We just got to Sedona, Arizona for this little brand trip with Lexus, which I can't even believe I'm saying. I feel like that's so insane. Matt and I really want a GX 550 and we really wanted to drive one, and we were like getting connected with their team, and they were like, actually, we're doing a brand trip in Sedona, Arizona. You want to come? And I said, sure. This resort, we're staying at the, what's it called? Ambiante. We're definitely pronouncing it wrong. When you walk in the front door, you can be in it, honey. This literal view, you guys, he said this is one of his favorite rooms because the sun rises over here. So this is like each person has a little deck on top. The Lexus team left us, oh, I just opened these chips. This little gift basket, which was so nice. It has like an Awala that says Lexus on it. This Dagny Dover, I haven't opened it up yet. I think it has some little goodies in it. This little candle, which I thought was nice. Little tiny matches, a little note. Look at the bed. I can't get over it. It's so fun. This also blacks out. Like, you can't see in, except for at night you can. So they have like 360 curtains. Then a TV like pops out from right there too. And then here's the bathroom. Bathtub, it's like dark. I feel like in here it's like a very moody, I don't know, like one of those like, I don't know, spa type resorts, which I feel like we haven't stayed at a lot of places like that. Cute little bathroom. I look pale. And then a little mini bar up here. Is upstairs crazy?
It's cool, yeah.
Just ordered room service. He said one of the reasons why our room is the best is because, do you hear that? It's like a little river that runs underneath ours. And then you walk up these spiral stairs and you walk up to this. It's your own little daybed, fire pit. Like, what? How cool. I can't believe this. It's nice that they do them at different levels so you aren't like, oh, I guess this one you're kind of looking at them, but they're still private. Anyways, we kind of had a travel day it wasn't the greatest, but it could have been a lot worse. So
We made it.
We made it here. I missed the lunch. Our flight got delayed. Is it because of the government shutdown?
I don't know. It was just that flight. So.
Yeah. Our flight was delayed 5 hours?
4.
Our flight was delayed 4 hours, and we wouldn't have gotten here, I think, even in time for the dinner. And they had a lunch that everyone met at in, I think, closer to Phoenix. And I missed the lunch still, which was really a big bummer because it was at Wrigley Mansion, which like Wrigley gum, I don't know. But I missed that, so everybody got to meet one another, and I didn't, which stinks, but I think we'll have a lot of fun tonight. We're doing a little cocktail mixing class. Of course, I'll make a little mocktail. And then dinner, and then tomorrow we just have like an adventure day, and that's pretty much it. And then Wednesday, we are staying a little bit extra to go visit one of my friends who lives here. That'll be really fun. We're gonna drive the GX 550 to Phoenix and then leave from there, which will be a lot of fun, but I'm gonna rest. I'm so excited. Okay, Matt just had me open the stuff in this Dagny Dover, and I thought, oh, maybe it just has stuffing in it. It's literally stuffed to the freaking brim with liquid IV. Oh my gosh, firecracker flavor. Yum. Super Goop. L'Occitane. Wow. They balled out on this. Evian spray. That's incredible. Oh my gosh. Little slip hair ties. Little travel Salt and Stone deodorant. So cute. Refillable hand sanitizer and eucalyptus. Oh my gosh, jet lag mask. This is my favorite Summer Fridays product. What's this? Oh, hand sanitizer refill. Amazing. Summer Fridays jet lag eye patches. Oh my gosh. This is oh my gosh, Altoids. Are we going hiking? Road, of course. So excited about the road. Oh, and then the little Dagny Dover insert. It's so cute though. It has like Lexus. Oh, so cute. Okay. Really bye. I'll see you once I'm getting ready or something. I don't know what is wrong with my angles on this right now, but look at this room service. I'm gonna shit. I have about 5 minutes to go walk down there. It's also supposed to be really casual, but I'm wearing a little skirt, boots, sweater around my shoulders, and then a little tea. Just because I think I'm gonna go really casual for everything else, so I thought I'd do a little bit of effort today. There's really not any good lighting like anywhere. I'm like, is there lights in this place? But here's the full outfit. I feel like it's cute, but I'll take you with for the cocktail mixing class. This is always the most, I don't know, like nerve-wracking part for me, because meeting people in like small talk, I just get nervous that people like, you just want everyone to be so nice and like to have a great time, and I'm sure everyone's gonna be great, but I just get nervous.
Oh, well, we'll save here. Like, we can book like.
Okay, 2 of these.
Thank you for repeating everything out loud. I'm like, thank you.
Goes to the top.
Yes.
And what's the other one? Okay.
So we just do one. Aren't very sweet. They are.
We'll do, I think it's
1 ounce of the shorter.
so 1 ounce.
Oh, cool. Very good.
Did you say how much I?
Oh my.
This is not the job for me. The more you know. Okay, I get it now. Perfect. Okay, that's perfect.
Mine looks so pretty.
It does look very pretty.
They are actually required to do this activity as a practice of dexterity. So like whenever they're building our vehicles, like this is the key, it hones in their skill. And they do hours and hours and hours a week.
Okay, this is my origami. My second attempt, and it's still this bad. It's supposed to be a cat. You see, like, this is its nose, ears. No? Okay. I think I'm gonna go lobster. I think filet. I can't decide on dessert though.
I want to say a big thank you to Christina and Brooke for having us. Out of everybody, you could have chosen anybody, but you chose us to be here.
Oh, that's so
And
kind.
we're excited for a great meeting with you guys. And here's to Lexus, and here's to Destinations by Lexus.
Oh, that was sweet. Cheers.
It's like
Okay, here's our little salad.
Or you get goat.
She said it's one of her favorite salads she's ever had. It looks literally to die for. And it's actually a good portion, I feel like, for a fancy meal. And this is like a little non-alcoholic lemonade mocktail.
It could be like, oh, I'm cleaning this up. Oh, I need to turn it down.
Oh, wow.
How is it?
It's so
Oh,
good.
wow, sounds like it's good.
Yeah, it's so good. Here's our little chocolate cake, and it's not little, it's literally humongous. Humongous. Good morning, girls. You're kidding. We have chilaquiles, yogurt, Matt's Americano, and then underneath is avocado toast. I'm excited. Okay. Here's the outfit of the day. I hate how the gimbal's working right now. It just isn't being my friend, but anyways. Little jeans, little New Balances, my little Gucci friend. This from Acta, this from Skims. I gotta walk over there. I'm hot. I'm overstimulated. Bye-bye. Okay, we just got in the car. We're in the, hold on, let me look which one we're in. We're in the LX right now. It's cute. This color is insane.
I love it. I like
Oh.
that color too though, the green.
Yeah, the green is really cool. I haven't seen it in person.
And we turn it on. Ready? Go for it.
Oh my gosh. I can't get over how pretty this is. Yes. All YouTube on here. I never do anything non-YouTube here. Oh my gosh. This is going so fast. I don't even remember what this place is called that we're at. Red Rocks Crossing? Question mark? Okay, we're in a little place called We think Red Rocks.
The Red Rocks Crossing.
Red Rocks Crossing.
I don't know why that.
It's just, I'm just questioning it because I'm like, Red Rocks? We're not in Colorado, but water, lots of red rocks.
I mean, they are red.
Much as you would expect.
They are rocks.
We met some really sweet dogs.
One named Rosie.
Rosie and Rufus.
Which I freaked out because my dog's name is Rosie.
Yes.
And I was just like, my heart burst.
They were so sweet though. She said Rosie was naughty, but
Sometimes you gotta be a little naughty.
yeah. What's wrong with being a little naughty? Sometimes. I think we're gonna go to a little coffee shop and just edit a little bit.
Yeah, we did our things.
We did our things.
Now we just need a little caffeine to continue to do our things.
And then we have lunch and then a little bit more exploring, dinner, and then we're kind of done.
This is very not like me, but I feel like I'm still full from dinner.
Okay, that's so funny. I got full so quickly from dinner.
I know, and then even breakfast came this morning, which is so not like me.
Yes.
No, I'm usually like perpetually hungry.
Same.
But I think I was still so full from dinner.
Same. I had the avocado toast and the yogurt parfait. I ordered both and I kind of barely touched both of them.
Yeah, it was a very good dinner, so I think
Yes.
I'm glad we're walking a bit. 'Cause I'm like,
Yes. It's very rich.
They're feeding us so well.
Yes, they really are. Okay, here are the Red Rocks. I'm like, yeah, that looks like Red Rocks in Colorado. But I feel like all of Arizona looks like that, so
Yeah.
so interesting. Okay, what are we in now? LC?
LC.
We're in the LC.
Read Ashley.
It's tiny compared to what we were just in. We're going to grab some
gonna
coffee.
Oh, hell yeah. You know when something just feels right?
Yes. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, look at her.
Oh my gosh.
Fits like a glove.
It's so cute. Okay, we just got up to the Sedona airport. It's like a little lookout. The airport's just like back here. These tiny, tiny planes. You had to pay $3 to go look at this, but it's so beautiful. Literally, we're staying like just down here. It's like this, I don't know, 5-minute drive, and the elevation increases so much. It's beautiful. They're probably like, who is this girl with the Gucci bag and the knee-high boots?
Well, this is a side one. We'll just wait.
I know nobody gets to eat for the first 5 minutes, something gets set down.